69, dudes!
And I'm gonna go way back, but I'm gonna say it's Johnson.
Damn. Fuck me. Dude, where the fuck do you think you're going? You're fucking mental. You fucking retard. What an idiot. What the fuck are you doing? Everyone's completely lost their fucking brains today. Unfucking believable. BG16QT. Unfucking believable. What a fucking retard.
You know, at a pretty high level today, he had it all.
Real question, you know, this for whatever reason doesn't get talked about very often, but
Oh
is
no.
Booker T the greatest black wrestler ever?
You know, I don't know.
Good. Fuck. Oh. What are you, fucking brain dead? Absolute idiot. JJD012. This is a fucking entry ramp lane. That's why the line is fucking unbroken. You're not supposed to change lanes there, you fucking muppet.
Shane, I love you like a brother, but you got too big.
Yes.
Slow down.
Shane here is like ready for a fitness competition. Lean and mean.
No, he's
Whoa.
$1.75 or $1.80 in
You.
his pockets.
Fucking idiot. What an absolute... Okay, if anyone's wondering, yeah, I'm definitely taking that one to the fucking cops and the guy who owns this fucking truck. That is so dangerous what this idiot just did, because completely cut everyone off, jumped the divider. What a fucktard. Now I've got to... Jesus, mate. Any get any further up her ass, you're going to have to buy a dinner. And you're red light.
I don't know. I mean, I can't speculate on something like that. You know, when it comes to tests and things like that, I know it's done. I know, you know, I think I would put it.
Yeah. What the fuck just happened?
Committee by telling JR that if I went to the meeting the following day, I'd just fucking gouge her eyeballs out, so tell him to take his committee and shove it up his ass. And that was right after.
What the fuck is it with this spot that people completely fucking lose their brain and go, oh, actually, I want to go this way?
There. And he was getting a plane ticket. This was when he was doing the announcing. And he was getting a plane ticket to go home to New York every weekend like he was supposed to as part of his
fucking
announcing
idiot.
deal, but he wasn't going home. He was cashing a plane ticket in, and he was getting the hotel
Look at this fucking moron. I was doing 70 then, and he came blaring past, so you can just figure out what speed he's doing. And there's a fucking reason lane splitting's illegal, you idiot. I said, imagine if someone had just moved left or right. Fucking take your head off with a mirror, you're gonna hit someone and cause an accident. Absolute idiot. What have these two wings done here? How in the fuck do you both go past the fucking line and block the pedestrian area? What the hell? How the hell do you manage to do? Now I'm going to lose the arrow. You are fucking kidding me. You are absolutely kidding me. What a wingnut.
Sir, you can't go past the crime scene. Back up, please. I'm not in the crime scene. What the fuck? Look at this guy.
Idiot.
Put your shit away, bro. What the fuck's wrong with...
There's another example of a fucking rim job. I'll just dawdle out into the middle of a fucking intersection with cars coming at me and oh well, they'll just have to stop. Nah, fuck that shit. Asshole.
Over at RickFlairShop.com. So if you haven't already, go get your kids a backpack or a pillow. There's no pictures of baby's arm holding apples there. So that's a good thing.
Yeah. As we head towards...
So we had two illegal, still doing it, two illegal bikes there. This fucking idiot, this Mercedes can't stay in a fucking lane. Get in your fucking lane, fucking dickhead. Not a fucking brain cell in that fucking head. Alright, this guy looks like... What other movies? Have you seen the movie The Running Man? Do you remember that guy that was Sub-Zero? No, don't do that. Fuck, what are you fucking doing?
Teaches kids to lip sync.
Are you fucking brainless?
Yeah. Well, maybe...
So we've got Coastal Transport Services. The driver of this truck has decided he's got rules don't apply to him and that he'll just change lanes over a divider and over an unbroken line.
Poor old Stu Hart way out in Calgary, which I'm sure they considered the New York folks probably considered the Tennessee of Canada.
BLI
Look at the
586.
made in '83. It's really amazing. The first thing he does is he grab of wrestling throughout the later half of the '90s. How do you think your relationship with Vince in the office would have changed, if at all?
You know, gosh, it's hard to tell because I would not have.
You know, here's another tip for you people. Learner riders are not allowed to lane filter. You have to have a full license to lane filter.
Is there anyone that comes to your mind as a highly intelligent wrestler and
Well, you got a fucking great IQ, don't you? What do we got? I'm gonna put my fucking right indicator on and change lanes to the left. Okay, I'll give $1,000 if this guy parks this car. Oh, fuck me. Are we going to try it again? Nope. How the fuck can you not pull up to a spot, look at it, and not realise whether you're going to fit or not? Fuck me. Someone owes me $1,000. Jesus Christ. It's a fucking disgusting.
For example, if you've got some big company that has injured your child in some kind of way, or yourself for that matter,
I better get away.
you know who to call now because of who's in our family. The law offices of
You're
Stephen P.
welcome.
New.
It's actually the first fucking
And
Uber.
law office, that's NEW by the
Sweet. Wow, I actually had an Uber and I let them in. Oh, Jesus. Band just cut them off and they actually said thank you. Technically illegal what they did with their lights, but we are not going to give people shit for saying thank you. Things around here. The fuck is that smell? Jesus Christ. It smells like fucking sewage. It's fucking terrible. You don't need to indicate, dick. What a fucktard. What an idiot. Like, dude, just go to the next fucking intersection, turn right, go back the other way, and it's fine. Instead, you will do that shit and you're going to kill someone one day.